Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 23 from the playlist of alternating current. The topic is the calculation of RMS value of the alternating current of a current waveform. So based on this topic I have one question for this session, and in this question we have been given a current waveform and we have to find the RMS value of the alternating current of this current waveform. Now, in this waveform, the current is increasing linearly from 0 to 2 seconds, and from 2 to 4 seconds the current is constant. The time period of this alternating current is equal to 4 seconds because the one complete cycle of this alternating current is getting completed in 4 seconds. So you can just see from this figure that one complete cycle is getting completed in 4 seconds. So this is the second cycle and so on. So the time period of this AC, this alternating current is equal to 4 seconds, and we know that the RMS value of the alternating current is given by this formula, that is IRMS whole square is equal to 1 by T multiplied by the integration of IT whole square dt within the limits of 0 and T. So here we will be finding the RMS value of the alternating current over one complete cycle. Here T is what? This T is the time period and IT is the instantaneous current. So from 0 to 2 seconds the current is varying linearly with time. So if this is the origin, then its coordinate will be equal to 0, 0, and the coordinate of this point will be 2 and 10. Now we know that if this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, then, and if this is a straight line, then the equation of this straight line is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line. So here in this case the instantaneous current is being represented on the y-axis and here the time is represented on the x-axis. So IT will be equal to mt plus c. Now at t is equal to 0, the current is here is 0, so c will be equal to 0. So finally the instantaneous current will be equal to mt. Now we have to simply find the slope of this line. Now the slope of this line, as we know that slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is equal to 10 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 0. So this is equal to 5. So the equation of the instantaneous current from 0 to 2 seconds, this will be equal to 5t. So I'm just writing it here. The equation of the instantaneous current from 0 to 2 seconds, this is equal to 5t. So the RMS value for this alternating current can be written as integration within the limits of 0 to 2 IT whole square, so this is equal to 25t square dt plus integration from 2 to 4 IT is now for this duration from t is equal to 2 from 2 to 4 seconds, the value of IT is equal to minus 10 ampere. So this will be equal to minus 10 whole square, which is equal to 100 dt divided by the time period. So from here the value of IRMS, that is the RMS value of the alternating current, can be written as this. The integration of this will be equal to 25 t cube by 3, and its value can be found within the limits of 0 and 2, plus this will be equal to 100t within the limits of 2 and 4, divided by the time period. The time period is equal to 4 seconds. So the value of this 25 t cube upon 3 within the limits of 0 and 2, this will be equal to 200 upon 3 minus 0, because here the limits are from 0 to 2. So 25 into 8 upon 3 will be equal to 200 by 3 minus 0, plus this will be equal to 100 into 4, which is equal to 400 minus 200, this is equal to 200, divided by 4. So this is the value of, this is equal to I RMS whole square. So this is equal to 600 plus 200, 800 upon 12, and this is equal to I RMS whole square. So this is equal to 6, 400, and this is equal to 3, 200. So it implies that I RMS whole square, this is equal to 200 upon 3. So I RMS is equal to root 200 upon 3, and this will be equal to 8.165. This is equal to 8.165 ampere. So the RMS value of the alternating current of this current waveform is equal to 8.165 ampere. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session we will be discussing another type of equation, in which we will be calculating the average value of the alternating current. So thank you very much for joining this session. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.